Because I'm sure right now, the people who will suffer are the voters. The voters...
I must say, actually, in the entire Africa, no parliament has got this kind of facility.
And I'm sure the speaker was the Minister for Foreign Affairs. He had an office here.
The 12th Parliament, I was privileged to chair the Public Accounts Committee. And I was also in that committee with, first and foremost, is to congratulate the Parliamentary Service Commission for this wonderful achievement. Kenya and the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, of the Defense Forces, the Kenya Defense Forces, under the able leadership of Speaker Kenneth Marendi. Later on, of course, the project, a lot of other people have contributed to the completion of this project. Let me say also, Your Excellency, I was here for about 2 or so months before the foundation was laid of this wonderful
for exchequer releases. That is one of the biggest challenges that we've had. And Your Excellency,
facility. And therefore we must actually pat ourselves on the back as a parliament. As a parliament. Thank you very much. God bless.
Great speakers, good morning. Your Excellency, allow me to confess. Your Excellency, I agree with the Honorable Wandayi. So he came to me, he said, I am not going to accept. And I told him, no. And my old friend, Marehemu, just come with it. You don't pay for any of the services, including food, including... Ichungwa said, this is the best committee. Your Excellency. So, Your Excellency, I really want to thank us.
Minority in the National Assembly, one Honorable Wandayi. Karibu sana.
By Honorable Koech, the Chairman of Defense, about 2 weeks ago. So this is good for Kenya, and on behalf with you, the Deputy President, the Prime Cabinet, we are about 10 of us.
In IT, there are passwords and they have levels. Your Excellency, now my level of password is coming. Allow me, in a very special way, say, as a Chairman of Security Development, I have seen serious commitment by the Clerk of the National Assembly, by the Clerk of the Senate, who is Raptors, and all the government agencies to see to it that this project was completed in time. Your Excellency, and you've seen we don't have enough offices. Your Excellency, going forward, if we get the funds, I can tell you, we are going to complete the CP in the government ministries as a senior civil servant. And again, notably, the last so much, and I welcome you once more, after the rains are over, you come and see there are prophets in this commission. Your Excellency, yesterday when we were doing our final